Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into conditional formatting in Excel. It is a powerful feature that automatically highlights your data based on rules. Let's jump right into it. Conditional formatting lets you visually analyze data by applying colors, icons, or data bars based on cell values. You can use it to highlight top performers, spot errors, detect duplicates, and more, all automatically. Here's the dataset that we will use: an employee sales report from January to March, along with department and status. Let's go through 5 ways to use conditional formatting. Highlight cells greater than a value. Let's highlight all sales in March greater than $15,000. Select the Sales March column, go to Home tab, Conditional Formatting, highlight Sales Rules, greater than, enter 15,000, choose a green fill and click OK. Use color scales for a heat map effect. To spot trends, apply a color scale to sales in January. Select the Sales January column. Go to Home tab, Conditional Formatting, Color Scales, choose green, yellow, and red. Add data bars. Data bars are great for visual comparisons. Let's apply them to sales in February. Select Sales February column. Conditional Formatting, Data bars, choose a style. Highlight duplicate departments. Let's find duplicate departments. Select the Department column, Conditional Formatting, highlight Sales Rules, duplicate values. Use a custom formula. Now let's highlight all employees with status on leave using a custom formula. Select all data. Conditional Formatting, new rule, use a formula. Enter the formula that you see on the screen. Set a fill color, like light orange for example, and click OK. And that's conditional formatting in Excel. With just a few clicks, you can turn raw data into meaningful insights. If you learned something new today, drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. If you have got any questions, you can put them in the comments below. Until next time, take care and have a good day.